In this video, you will see how you can add this information for your text filing time. So here I got on like form section 1256 reporting, and I got it from Charles Schwab. You may get from other brokers. If you do buy sell some stock, then you will get this type of form. So let's see how we can add this information in your text filing form. So I am going to use like free text USA, but it's fine if you are using any other software, it will be the similar. So here this is a summary page, and here I see this is 1A. This is the information, and there are a couple of columns are there like 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is the complete like profit or loss on contracts, this thing, and for each section it is divided couple of ways. So let's see how we can add this information. So as I told you, I'm going to show you inside this software which is called Free Text USA. So once you logged in your account, you will find couple of tabs are there. We have to access income. So I'm going to click here and it will be expanded, and there are a couple of sections, but we have to come to this section, uncommon income, and we have to go till we find contracts and straddle this section. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will be open like this, and here it is showing like section 1256 contracts and some details, and it is mentioning what is section 256 contract, and here it is mentioning like that, and it also discuss the straddles in summary like this. And first we have to check box on is yes and no. The question is, do you need enter any information for section 1256 contracts or straddle position? So we saw already, so this is the position we already have, so we need to add this information. So for this case we have to choose yes, and then we have to press save and continue this button to go to the next step. So I'm going to click here. After choosing that yes, we are getting this type of thing. Are you making elections? Check the following elections you would like to make or have made regarding your section 1256 contracts and straddles. So there are a couple of things are there like mixed, then identification, election, mixed, and net like this. So for me none of these is applicable, but if any of this applicable is for you, then you have to check this thing. But for me I don't need to check anything, and then I have to press this button save and continue. Once we click here, then we'll be getting this type of page. So here it is showing your section 1256 contracts market to market. Okay, and here there is a button add a section 1256 contract. So what you need to do for each contract, we just need to add here. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be open like this, and this is a form we need to fill up. So here is the detail of the form. So first question is, enter the following information about section 1256 contract. Are you entering information from are you entering information from a form 1099B? Okay, so let's see from that form. So here I see this is the 1099B. This is the form. So we need to press yes button for this case, and then we have a question: does your form 1099B includes gain or loss from regulated futures or foreign currency contracts? So here I see here it is showing aggregated profit or loss or contract, right? Everything is there, so we have to press yes. We cannot choose no. Okay, and then we have to change the like type the broker name. For this case I'm using Charles Schwab's brokerage name. So the broker name I completed, and here there is another field. Here we need to type enter your net gain or loss. So from here I see this is the total net gain or loss. I'm going to copy this part, $10.88, and then I'm going to paste it over here, and here it is showing this is the box 11 of your form 1099B. Okay, so this is the box 11, right? So this is the value 1088. So I just typed it over there. It actually it is as it is 10.88, so it is making it 11 in Free Text USA. Okay, that is correct. Then I'm going to press the save and continue button, and very shortly we'll see our section 1256 contracts market to market like this, and this is the description which I added, and it is showing like that. So if we try to add any other thing also, other like this type form, we have to add one by one same way by pressing this button. And if you want to modify this thing, you have to click here edit. It will give you the option to edit this thing, but I'm not going to edit anything, so I'm going to press the cancel button. And there is also by mistake, if you add couple of entries or one entry double, you can also delete from here by pressing this thing. And once you are done, then press the continue button, and very shortly there is other thing is there, but none of them is applicable for me. So I'm going to press 7 continue button, and here it is showing this is position. We can press the continue button, and again you can press the continue button, and this is the details. If we scroll down, we'll see that type of form here, contract and straddles, this type of thing, and there is here is only $11. And if we click view, it will show us the details of that thing. And here we see like this is the form Charles Schwab and $11, and here is also number 3 total this thing, all this data is updated properly. Short term capital gain and some other details are there. Okay, so that's it. In this way we can easily add the information for this thing, I mean for this type of form, which I call 1099 B for 1256 reporting, section 1256. So hopefully by watching this video you will be able to add this type of information on your tax filing software.